the silence of the dense jungle, a princess lost her way along with her white horse, Chand. Evening was falling, and the sounds of the birds were adding to her fear. The princess gently patted Chand's neck and said, "We must not lose courage." It was as if Chand understood her words, and he slowly began to move forward. After walking a little farther, they saw a tiny firefly glowing softly as if showing them the way. The princess and Chand followed its shimmering light. Suddenly, through the trees, an open field appeared, and in the distance, the lights of the palace were twinkling. The princess laughed with joy. "Chand, we are saved!" Chand lifted his head proudly, as if smiling. And so, guided by the little firefly, the princess and her white horse safely found their way back to the palace.